Hello guys, thanks for joining me again for another video. I'm Josephine and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm not as Jojo Fine 01. So if you're not a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button and welcome to my new subscriber. Love you guys so much. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. So as you can see, I've done my base. I was reviewing the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, oil free natural skin here, the new one here. So, and I did the 5-minute makeup challenge with this. So I did this in 5 minutes. If you want to see that video, I will link it up here for you guys to watch it. So I'm going to be doing the tissue method eye makeup. I saw this in Ohima video and I said, this is easy. You guys know Jojo like easy. I like easy life. I can't come and kill myself. Brows, the HD brow gel. So I'm just going to use this to pull my brows up. I really like this brow gel. It keeps the brow. An eyeshadow base. And I'm going to use the one and only Gerardcosmetics eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using the Colourpop Hello Kitty. Look at it. How cute are they? That's how they look like. Go. This shade right here. But of course I have a tissue. So I'm going to take the tissue. Place it right there. The orange palette. Color right here. This is looking good. Okay, come through tissue. This shade. Take that gorgeous blue, then go in with the green. Okay. Yes. You can tell me nothing. So I'm going up a bit. Just give that dye effect. I'll go with this color. I'll take this shade right here. Like that at the center. The crease. The eyes. It. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the other eyes and I'll continue. I've done my brows and this is how it's looking. I'm creating the Colourpop eyeliner. So I'm going to apply eyeliner. I'm going to pop on this lashes. Plastic Boy Bad and Boujee by Eyeliner. Before applying the lashes, I'm going to apply mascara. This one is by L'Oreal. Now for the under eyes, I'm going to apply a white eyeliner, and this one is by Urban Decay, the Urban Decay Prince collection. So this is just brighten the under eyes. So I'm going to blend an eyeshadow underneath the eyes. So guys, I just blend the color underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to dust off the excess powder off my face. Sorry if I'm looking here. The camera is here, I understand. It just, I'm using my iPad, so everything gets messed up sometimes. I'm just going to apply my lipstick, the OPV matte lip. So at the center of the lip, I will apply this lipstick by Laura Mercier. Like that combo is nice. So for highlighter, I'll use this palette. Beauty Bay here, the Beauty Bay palette, highlighter palette. Okay guys, this is how the look is looking like. I'm really liking it. The eyes was so simple. We're using the tissue. I don't have to use a brush. I don't have to like force where I place the eyeshadow and all that. I just play around with it and the eye look came out really well. This is cute. Oh, that's cute. I like that. This is by Colourpop. So guys, what do you think about this look? Oyema, hello girl. Thank you for this tissue video. Yeah, that's so easy. I think I'll do tissue, not try tissue, because you don't know. I don't want to blend. I can just leave it like this. Let me know what you think about the Colourpop eyeshadow. They pop really well. They're cute, nice. I have no complaint. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. And don't forget to check out the foundation video. Okay? Peace out.